morning in a think piece. I know Willie will love this, that the House Republicans have adopted the Brick Tamland loud noises defense. Loud noises! Because that's all they have. They're making loud noises.
Well, I mean, we've seen time and again now with all these proceedings, Republicans really fall back on the same strategy, which is to yell as frequently as possible, as loudly as possible, in the hopes that nobody will notice that they have not described this call with Zelensky as a perfect call, that they have not once actually talked about defending the substance of what the president has been accused of. They must have not have read the impeachment articles here, because it's very straightforward what the president is being accused of. And it's like I said, you want to talk about weaponizing oversight? Republicans like Jim Jordan wrote the book on how to weaponize oversight for what they did to the Barack Obama administration. The idea that they can turn around now and say, wow, this is shocking that people would issue subpoenas, that they want to have
give
testimonies.
Us a quick example, Kurt. Give us a quick example of that hypocrisy about how people like Jim Jordan, what they did on Fast and Furious, what they did on Benghazi, what they did on these other investigations.
Well, something that was interesting that Jordan said, he talked about the IRS during the hearing yesterday, and they held a 4 to 5 year investigation alleging that the IRS was targeting conservatives. At the end of that investigation, by the way, it turned out, no, that wasn't happening. That is 100% false. Yet they held these hearings. They held an administration official in contempt of Congress for not cooperating with their made-up, political-driven hearing. And here he is again saying that, well, we're going to ignore history, ignore fact, and I'm going to use something that I know isn't true to try to justify what I'm doing now, which is defending the president at all costs. And again, it's like I wrote today in Think, that CNN anchorman, when they're in the news director's office yelling about the hiring of a woman, they're saying, loud noises, I don't know what we're yelling about. That's Jim Jordan, that's Doug Collins, that's Louie Gohmert, and that's all that they got.
Painful.